Language switched to English. Welcome to Audi Virtual Training. Here you will learn the work steps for repairing the high voltage battery in the Audi e-tron. You will see in front of you the tool cabinet with the tools that you will need for this training course. Behind it on the scissor lift table you will find the Audi e-tron battery module. You will learn how to carry out repairs on this module. Select a level on the monitor to start the course. In this scenario you will find out the steps required to remove a faulty battery module. To remove the casing cover, take the cordless screwdriver. Undo the screws on the casing cover. Great! The other screws have also been removed. The screws are placed in a container for you. Put down the cordless screwdriver. Place the wedges provided between the casing and the cover in order to remove the cover from the casing. Great! You have removed the cover from the casing. To cut the butyl cord between the casing and the cover, take the spatula out of the drawer. Cut the butyl cord between the casing and the cover with the wedge. Place the spatula back in the drawer. Great! You have removed the cover from the casing. Put the wedges to one side. Take the casing cover and place it on the work surface. Note: you are now working on dangerous high voltage parts. You must wear the specified protective clothing and only work with insulated tools. Take the insulated slotted screwdriver. Next, disconnect the connectors from the modules. To do this, undo the relevant connector lock. Put down the insulated slotted screwdriver. Unplug the connectors from the modules. Remove the connector to floor 1. Remove the HV sense line from CMC 6 and 7. Now remove the connectors. Next, remove the two connectors on the signal line to CMC 6 and 7. Lift the HV sense line out of the casing. The connector for the signal line along with the battery casing remains in place. Take the second section of the wiring harness from the casing and place this on the work surface. Remove the clips from the cable channel.